Discuss about deploy Azure container instances. So the first thing is, what are the Azure container instances? So Azure container instances are used for deploying apps fast without managing virtual machines. By running our workloads in Azure container instances, or I can say ACI, we can focus on designing and building our applications instead of managing the infrastructure that runs them. A container offers significant startup benefit over a virtual machine. It also supports executing a command in the running container by providing an interactive shell to help with the application deployment and troubleshooting. The Azure Container instances can schedule both Windows and the Linux container with the same API. It even supports scheduling of multi-container groups that share a host machine, local network, storage, and lifecycle. This enables you to combine your main application container with the other supporting role containers. And the last, you pay based on what you need and get billed by the second, or so I can say you can fine tune your spending based on the actual need. So let's dive into the lab. So we have a lab where we have to implement this, right? How we can deploy the container. So the first thing is we need to create a container instance. So in the Azure portal, we need to open bash session within the Cloud Shell pane. So we have the Cloud Shell pane, and in the Cloud Shell pane we have the bash icon. So you see this window when you click on the Cloud Shell. So we have to click on bash, and in the bash I need to just select my subscription and just apply. So it will take a little bit time now, right? So meantime I am going to explain about you this command. So we have the AZ container create. So we have the command to create a container with the resource group which we have, right, in our Azure portal, and we need to provide the container instance name. It should be anything which you want to specify, and we have the image where the like a OS image we want to install on this like a container, and we have the DNS name. This will be a unique one which we need to provide, right? So we have also the port on which port it's going to be running, and we have the OS type, the Linux one, and we have the CPU, and we have the memory. So now I am just going to add the resource group here. So let me edit it here. So I have just paste, yeah, copy and paste. Now I am going to provide the container name. So container name, it should be a make it ng demo container ACI, right? Now we have to provide the label. It should be a unique one. So the ng demo DNS label, right? And I can leave it without as it is and just copy it and going to paste on my terminal and just going to hit it, and it's showing there is some issues with the command. So what I have missed here, just let me check it out. So we have the easy, so the easy create group, not command found. So why it's happening? I have provided the okay, there's just extra space are there, I believe. So let me change it. Maybe it will work. No, there is no command. So okay, let me check this and I will come to you.